Hey everyone, Gil here at GrayManPrepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about bread machines. And a lot of you are going to go, bread machines? Why do you want to talk about bread machines? We make bread by hand. Or there's other of you going to go, if the power's out, you can't use a bread machine. Well, both are valid statements. However, if the power's not out and you got a lot of stuff to do, why should you waste the time kneading the dough and working the dough when you could be doing something else? You know, your bread machine can do all the kneading and stuff for you. You don't have to make it bake, because you want just need the dough to be done up and everything, and you can pull it out and then you can roll it up and make biscuits. Dinner rolls. You can make cinnamon rolls. You can do all sorts of things with the dough after the bread machine kneads it all for you. So think of the bread machine as a multifunction tool. You can put your ingredients in there. You can make the dough, and then you can do something with the dough, or you can just let it go ahead and bake it for you while you're doing something else. And that way you don't have to worry about watching the time and everything. It does it for you. So you can go out, cut the firewood you're going to need for the winter, go out and work in the garden, whatever it is you need to do. The bread machine can save you time and energy. All right. So as always, stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep on adding to your preps in water and food and the other items you need to make your life better. All right. And remember, you want to have plenty of supplies. Why? Well, this is why.